Now, anytime we work with the airbag system, we want to make sure we disconnect the battery first. However, on this car, we're going to do that a little bit later because the front driver's seat is powered and we're going to keep the battery on just for the first few steps of the removal process. And you can get right in here. Move the seat all the way back. And this panel is going to come right off. Next step, I'm going to go ahead and take those right off. We have one more, and that's located right here in the middle. And on this side, you can use a socket or you can use a power drill with an extender with your 10mm socket to get right in there. Now this view is from the driver's seat, and we're going to get to that bolt right there using an extender. On the front passenger seat, we're going to remove the last bolt. There's that last, most complicated bolt right there.